Hello, my friends. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you today. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and all the viewers. Welcome to Chattogram Online School. Dear student, I am before you to take your English for today class, and it's for the students of class 5. So now I like to introduce myself. This is Rupa Mollikrupu, assistant teacher, Tentigate Government Primary School, and I am from Kagdachuri. My dear students, maybe you can remember that in our previous classes we have discussed about a amazing chapter about nice unit, Happy Birthday. Okay, I hope you can remember it. Today, at very first, I like to show you some pictures, some important part if you learning. Dear student, what can you see here? What can you see here? What is this? Yes, this is number. So, what kind of number is this? What is the name of this number? 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10. Here is the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10. This is cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, right? Another picture. What can you see here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth to 10th. And this is the spelling of first, second, third, fourth to 10th. And these are ordinal numbers. Am I right, dear students? Okay. So these cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers are very important to write in a date. So today we are going to discuss about Happy Birthday Unit 15, Lesson 3-4, and our today's part activity E, F, G, and please open your book, page number 60. It's Happy Birthday lesson. Happy Birthday. Lessons 3 and 4. Dear students, I have opened my book as you. Here is our today's lesson 3 and 4. At very first, I like to discuss about something new, that how to write and say a date. Do you know how to write and say a date? At first we have to write date. Okay, dear students, in activity E, here is listen, read and say. Listen, read and say. To write a date, we write the day, the month and the year. To write a date, what we use? A date. Look, here is a date. It's 1. Then we write the day. At first we have write the day, J1. Then the month, 1 month. Then the year 16, 2016. We can write it in 1st January 2016. And we say it the 1st of January 2016. We say the 1st of January 2016. So dear students, now look at the board. Look, we can write any date. Suppose today, here is 1/1/16. We can write 1/1/2020. We can write it 1st January 2020, and we have to use a capital letter for capital January. We have to use a comma to part January and 2020, and at last we have to use a full stop. Dear student, this is the system to write a date. Now, to write a date, it's very important. Please listen and keep it in your mind that to write a date, at first we have to write the day, then month, and at last the year. Dear students, write a date in two types. I say you that we have to use the day at first, then the month, and at last the year. And we can write a date in two types. For example, look, I have write that first one is 10/12/2020. What is the date? What is the importance of this date? This is 16 December is our Victory Day. So I have write 16/12/2020. This is the first type. Now second type, we can write it that 16th December 2020. 16th December 2020. And we can read it here that today is 16 December 2020. This is the system to write the date in these two types, right? Okay, now dear students, now I have some questions for you, easy questions about this month. First question, what month is it? What is the name of this month, my dear learners? Yes, you are right. This is, now it is September. Now it is September. Next question, what is today's date? What is today's date? Can you guess it? Yes, today's date is 20. Then last question, what is the year now? Can you tell me it? I know you all can tell me it. 2020. My dear students, now look at your book in activity F. Here is activity F. Complete the sentences and write today's date. At first we have discussed about today's date with some questions and answer. Now we have to discuss about activity F. Okay? Look, here is activity F with some blank sentence. First one, the month is, what is the month, dear learners? Yes, September. The month is September. Then the day is 20. The day is 20. Then the year is, what is the year? 2020. So my dear student, what is today's date? Today's date is 20th September 2020. 20th September 2020. This is today's date. Okay. Dear students, I hope you have understand that how we have to write this, and we learn about activity E, activity F. Now we have to discuss about activity G. Look at the picture. What can you see here? This is Shahid Minar. Dear student, do you know why we bow down our head, or why we honor this? তোমরা কি জানো কেন আমরা এই শহীদ মিনারকে সম্মান করি? শহীদ মিনারটা কেন তৈরি হয়েছে, কাদের স্মরণে? Do you know there is a song about this thing, about this Shahid Minar? Can you guess the song? Yes, I hope you can guess the song. Let's sing the song. Only one line. আমরা এক লাইন সেই সংটা করে নিই তো সবাই একসাথে। আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি? Yes, dear student, this song is made for the people, those who are lost their lives for mother language, and for their honor this is situated. It's our Shahid Minar. Dear students, now here is some words: honor, mother language, and language martyr. Do you know what is the meaning of these words? I have to discuss about this word. Look, So dear students, I have to, I need some time. My dear students, at first honor. Honor, it means yes. Dear students, sorry for electricity problem. We have to discuss about honor, mother language and language matter. Okay. Now look, what is the meaning of honor? Honor, to obey some person for their respectable work. To obey some person for their respectable work. Just we obey those who lost their lives for our language, for our country. We obey them. This is honor. Then mother language. What do you mean by mother language? Dear students, mother language, the language that we learn from our mother from our childhood. The language that we learn from our mother from our childhood. From very little life, from childhood, we have talked with those languages that our mother say with me. Chances, our mother language is Bengali. We talk in Bangla. Then language matter. What do you mean by language matter? Language matter is those who sacrifices their lives for their mother language. Who sacrifice their life for their mother language. Those are language martyrs. Honor, সম্মান করা, mother language, মাতৃভাষা, then language martyrs, ভাষা শহীদ. Okay, now we have to discuss about activity G from our text. Look, here is activity G reading about 21st February. Dear students, please listen to me attentively. The 21st of February 1952 is the Language Martyrs Day. On this day in 1952, students in Dhaka gave their lives for their mother language. The day is now called International Mother Language Day. Dear students, a very important history of our Bangla literature, to rescue our Bangla literature, to rescue our Bangla language, mother language. Many people has died in 1922, 21st of February. On this day, students in Dhaka gave their lives for their mother language, for Bangla language. The day is now called International Mother Language Day. In every year, we have celebrate International Mother Language Day in whole world in 21st February. Dear students, you all are going to Shohid Minar that situated at your school with flower to obey the person, the martyr of language. Okay? So dear students, I hope you have understood about this part. Now I have some questions from this part. Please try to answer all the questions. First one, when is Language Martyrs Day? When is Language Martyrs Day? Please answer me. Okay, the answer is 21st February 1952. 21st February 1952. Then, who gave their life for mother language? Who gave their life for mother language? Dear students, students of Dhaka. Students of Dhaka. Then, how does the day call now? how we call the day. What is the name of this day now in whole world? This is International Mother Language Day. Now the day is called as International Mother Language Day. Dear students, we are proud for this day. So I hope you have understood our today's lesson. I have a home task for you. Write 5 sentences about International Mother Language Day that you know. You know about this day, I hope. Please write only 5 sentences about this day. My dear students, so what have we learned today? Today we have learned that how we have to write a date. How we have to write a date, how many types to write a date, and how we have to say a date. And we have learned about 21st February International Mother Language Day. Dear students, thank you for participating with me, and I will appear before you with another part from your text. Till then, Allah Hafiz.